All right, today on Jill of All Trades, I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix my favorite shirt. It has a little bit of a problem. Here's the issue. It has something with the way it has been sewn. This little placket for the buttons will not lay flat. I have steamed it, I have pressed it, I have done everything. It just doesn't lay flat. Then I noticed that this shirt actually has an extra row of stitching out there on the edges, just like that. So that's what I'm going to do to the white one so it can go back to being my favorite shirt. So the first thing I'm going to do before I sew it is I'm going to try to press it one more time just to get it as flat as I can before I run it through the sewing machine. So we've got it up here on the ironing board, and I'm just going to slowly smooth that out the best that I can. This is not a long-term fix. It's just going to get me through the next few minutes until I can stitch that down. There we go. Now over to the sewing machine. All right, now that I've pressed this, and you can see it's already starting to pop up again right there. That's why I'm going to stitch it down. I'm going to start at the top up by the collar, and I'm going to get that needle as close to the collar as I can. And I'm just going to slowly stitch my way down because I want to keep that stitching right at the edge. And I might just go a couple stitches at a time. All right, you can even see now, as it's coming out the other side, how good that looks and how nice and flat it is. All right, so I'm getting to the end. There we go. I'm actually gonna just sew across the bottom. And then I'm gonna go up the other side because we need to make it match. And actually, if you're pulling with your other hand while you're sewing through, it'll give you a straighter line. So we're done. I just pressed it up one more time. I want to show you, there's the line of stitching that I did to hold it in place. And then we had to do a line up the other side just to make it match. So it is done. That is not going to stick out anymore. And now my favorite shirt can be my favorite shirt again. There you have it on Jill of All Trades.